Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode, is it 95? I think it's 95. 5 more to hit 100. And today, I think we're going to have a big announcement. We're so close. So I think Angie's like, today's the day. So we'll see if we get everything wrapped up we need wrapped up, and then we can make our big announcement. Cross your fingers. Anyway, you'll see here in just a little bit whether we make the announcement or not. Anywho, we have a front coming through today, so it is super windy today. Like, there was one point I was pedaling, and I'm pretty sure I was rolling backwards. That's how bad the wind is today. Well, you can probably hear it and see it, and yeah, but it's 80 degrees too, so just before the front, super hot, super windy. Welcome to Florida. Anywho, I better get in there, help Mama Badger get stuff wrapped up so that we are ready to announce this today. But first things first, right? It's always coffee. Alright guys, we have a special video tonight. You may wonder why I'm on my knees, because they stole my chairs. Anyway, so this is Mama Badger's video idea. So she's kind of guiding me in this, so if I mess it up, it's not my fault. I didn't know what I was doing. Now you have someone to blame. I have someone to blame for this video. Anyway, one of the most special things is all the way from Canada. Yes, he has escaped the Canadian cold and he has made it down to Florida. Mr. Rick Friesen has joined us. Yay!
Hello. Yay. And now you also have somebody to blame, the Canadian.
That's right. We'll blame the Canadian. Don't you know, He told me he does not say that. That's funny. When the Irish were here, we're like, top of the morning. They're like, we don't say that. Right. So every time I have somebody from another country in my house, they're like, we don't say that. We're learning. The public stigma is wrong. Anyway, so today's special video is all about a gentleman that you guys have heard about before on here. His name's Daryl. And he went on the world record poker run with us. He also went on Route 66 with us. Mm-hmm. And he has just been a great part of this biker community. And in October, he had an accident. And unfortunately, we didn't find out about it until February. Mm-hmm. And you guys probably saw the video where we went on Valentine's Day and delivered flowers. Well, that was all for Daryl. And that's the reason Rick's here. So I'm going to let Rick tell you a little story about this. But Rick is here from Canada for Daryl as well. Mm-hmm. So, Rick, take it over, buddy.
Okay. No, I met Daryl. I did the Route 66 trip with the Badgers, and that's where I met Daryl. And while we were riding through Oklahoma, I had, at about 80 miles an hour, I had my front tire blow out. And I'm talking blowout. I luckily didn't go down, and managed to get the bike off to the side, and the crew that we were with came back to find me, and they helped me limp the bike to a place where I could wait for the chase trailer, which was about 4 hours behind. Daryl led the whole thing, and he stayed with me the entire time, even after I said, buddy, go join the group, I can sit here and wait for the chase trailer. His exact words were, when you go, I go. Yeah. He is a true brother.
Right there.
And a friend. And I definitely would do anything for this guy.
Including fly from Canada to Florida?
Including flying from Canada to come and say hi to him and see how he's doing. And he's unfortunately not doing too well, and he can definitely use our help.
Yeah. So I guess that's the other piece. When we went and saw him on Valentine's Day, he was still at the house. Since then, he has been moved into a care facility because unfortunately his wife could not give him all the care that he needs. So now he's in this care facility. And I'm sure most of you realize that these care facilities are great, but they are not free.
Not cheap either.
And so we've put together a fundraiser for Daryl. You want to tell them a little bit about that, Ange?
Yeah, so here's actually an introduction for you guys. We have the ability to create a fundraiser, a peer-to-peer fundraiser that's like a GoFundMe. if you've ever created a GoFundMe or have donated to a GoFundMe, then you know what it's like to have a fundraiser there in front of you that explains what happened, and then you can donate to that fundraiser. We are calling ours Support A Biker. And we've put together the page. It's an actual web page, a landing page, where you guys will see pictures of and a description of what happened. And we've set a goal of $2,000. Now, $2,000 is not a lot of money, but I thought this would be a great goal for us to have to help pay for at least 1 week of Daryl being at this facility. Of course, it costs more than that, but again, our goal is just a week. We are going to place the link for the Support A Biker down in the description, right?
Yes.
And then all you'll need to do is click on that link and go to that page and hit the donate button. So you guys will be the first. I mean, we Sunny and I knew back in February when we started doing the Wrecked Rider Fund and putting together, you know, ways that we can help support the community, that Daryl was going to be our first fundraiser to help him out.
So that's exactly right. This is our first, but we're going to basically have our own GoFundMe platform for bikers. By bikers, for bikers.
Yeah.
So GoFundMe will be for everything else, but we'll be able to support the biker community with our own version of fundraising, and just makes it easier for us to track. So Daryl is going to be our very, very first one.
Yeah. So you'll be able to go to donate on there, and then you guys will learn more later on too, how you guys will be able to go in and create your own fundraisers. But that's for another video.
Right. And for another time. We're just rolling this out, guys. Be patient. You know we've been working on this, and I've said it time and time and time again. We want to do it right.
I got voluntold. Yes, they've been working hard.
He has been behind us. He knows the back end of all this, and thank you so much, has helped us put this together to make this possible. So
anyway, guys, click the link below. Help a brother out. Let's get this guy the care he needs, because you never know when one day it might be you that needs that care.
Exactly.
And if you can't give a lot, we understand. If you can give $5, that's $5 more closer to our goal.
We created a nice big blue button that says share on it. So even if you can't donate, we completely understand. But sharing is also supporting.
What do I always say? Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Kumbaya.
Okay, let's hold hands.
Anyway. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with us.
Thank you, Rick, for being here.
And thank you for all of your support.
Very welcome, and ride safe, everyone, eh?
And there's the A. I was right after all. Now I think the Irish lied to me. Top of the morning to you. All right, guys. We will see you later.
Hi.